Hi there and welcome to this video about weight loss. Losing weight can be a challenging and overwhelming task for many people. But with the right approach and mindset, it can be a rewarding and fulfilling journey. In this video, we'll go over the basics of weight loss and provide some tips and tricks to help you get started. 1. Understanding weight loss. Before we get into the tips, it's important to understand how weight loss works. Your body gains weight when you consume more calories than you burn. To lose weight, you need to create a calorie deficit, either by eating fewer calories or burning more through exercise. It's important to remember that weight loss is not a one-size-fits-all process and can vary based on factors such as your age, metabolism, and activity level. 2. Dietary changes. One of the most effective ways to lose weight is to make dietary changes. Start by tracking what you eat and drink using a food journal or an app. This can help you identify areas where you can make changes to reduce your calorie intake. Focus on eating whole, unprocessed foods such as fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Limit your intake of sugar, salt, and unhealthy fats, and try to avoid sugary drinks and junk food. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to stay hydrated and help you feel full. 3. Exercise. Exercise is an important component of weight loss and can help you burn more calories and build muscle. Aim for at least 30 minutes of physical activity most days of the week. This can be anything from a brisk walk to a more intense workout, depending on your fitness level and preferences. Mix up your routine with different types of exercise, such as strength training, cardio, and yoga, to keep things interesting and prevent boredom. 4. Lifestyle changes. In addition to dietary changes and exercise, there are other lifestyle changes you can make to support your weight loss journey. Get enough sleep each night, as lack of sleep can lead to weight gain and slow down your metabolism. Practice stress management techniques such as meditation or deep breathing to help reduce stress and prevent overeating. Find ways to stay active throughout the day, such as taking breaks to walk or stretch, or standing instead of sitting. 5. Setting realistic goals. It's important to set realistic and achievable goals for your weight loss journey. Aim for a slow and steady weight loss of 1 to 2 pounds per week. This may not seem like much, but it can add up over time and is more sustainable than rapid weight loss. Celebrate your successes along the way and be kind to yourself if you have setbacks. In conclusion, weight loss is a journey that requires dedication and effort, but can be rewarding and fulfilling. Remember to focus on making healthy lifestyle changes, rather than just trying to lose weight quickly. Stay committed to your goals and be patient, as weight loss takes time and effort. Thank you for watching, and good luck on your weight loss journey.